Hello, Darren Martineau here from Team Freedom. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you my review of Nexus Rewards. So Nexus Rewards is a incredible, uh, it's a hybrid affiliate program and MLM, multi-level marketing, network marketing. But this is an incredible hybrid because it has the most incredible compensation plan. It pays you 50% commissions. Absolutely incredible. And what it is it's access to their exclusive savings apps, their bill reduction. Um, you get savings on travel, restaurants, all kinds of different things. So we're not changing buyer habits. Um, Now, what my offer is Team Freedom is you can clone my marketing funnel business and you get my system for free. So all you have to do right now is click on the link below and put your name and email in, and then what will happen is I will give you access to clone my marketing funnel, and you will get all kinds of incredible training when you join. Now, when you join Nexus Rewards under my link, you're going to get my special bonuses. So my special bonus is the Team Freedom marketing training and master traffic secrets videos. Okay, that's valued at over $200 right there. You will also get access to my exclusive Facebook group, so you can get all the help you need, get all your questions answered, and network with like-minded entrepreneurs and individuals as well. Um, you will also get access to all my traffic channels that I use, and you can copy how I do it to get massive amounts of traffic to all of my top affiliate offers. You'll also get access to all of my best affiliate offers with recurring commissions. So click on the link now and join today. Thank you.